Welcome to Safety Products. In this test, we're evaluating the direct opening safety microswitch Mini, operating at 220 volts DC with a 0.6 amp load. This demonstration highlights the positive action contact opening feature. When the microswitch is activated, the relay changes state. You can clearly observe the direct opening mechanism, specifically the breaker bar, ensuring the contacts are mechanically forced open. This confirms that the safety microswitch operates reliably under 220 volts DC at 0.6 amp load. Thank you for watching.